On November 21, 2025, Geely Galaxy's first flagship MPV, the Geely Galaxy V900, made its world premiere at the Guangzhou International Motor Show. Built on the GEA Evo Global Intelligent New Energy flagship architecture, the new vehicle is the first to be equipped with Geely's Super AI range extender technology. Positioned as an all-around family-friendly luxury MPV, the vehicle emphasizes a three-row, equal space experience and intelligent travel scenarios. The V900 delivers high performance in terms of design, interior space, intelligence, and power. The new vehicle adopts the new Galaxy Pegasus logo system, offers 6/7/8 seat configurations, emphasizes the equal rights for three rows concept, and is equipped with the Flyme Auto 2.0 intelligent cockpit system and the Qianli Haohan H5 advanced driver assistance system. It also demonstrates strong practicality in terms of range and charging capacity. Developed under the leadership of Geely's UK Design Centre, the Galaxy V900 draws inspiration from a land yacht, blending Eastern etiquette with international style. The front grille design draws inspiration from the glistening waves of the Westlake and the River Thames, masterfully utilizing it to create a horizontally sweeping waveform that reveals a fluid metallic texture under the light. The permanent daytime running lights mimic the dazzling light strip of the Milky Way, creating a visually expansive and majestic effect. The side profile features simple yet sophisticated lines and a two-tone color scheme that enhances the vehicle's sleek appearance. Measuring 5,350 mm/1998 mm/1920 mm, the vehicle adopts a yacht-inspired design language with its short front overhang, long body, and long wheelbase, creating a calm and elegant stance. The rear taillights feature an extra-wide lower wing design with light strips extending to either side, enhancing nighttime visibility and safety. The overall lines have a clear and powerful structure that reflects the modern aesthetic of less is more. The Ultra version further emphasizes its premium status with a 24-karat gold Pegasus emblem and collectible badge. The wheels feature a sunburst, multi-spoke design, complemented by 5 Galaxy imagery body colors that enhance the vehicle's overall texture under light and shadow. The cabin design blends traditional Chinese elements with a global aesthetic, offering 2 distinct light and shadow themes, dawn rice and rosy orange, to create a warm and sophisticated cabin atmosphere. The dashboard features a 3-layered progressive structure inspired by classical architectural staircases and clearly defined functional areas that create a visually appealing and reassuring feel. The air conditioning vents embody the auspicious flowing wind element, while the speaker design draws inspiration from the image of listening to the waves among the strange rocks found in Jiangnan Gardens. The headliner, Ultra version, features imported Italian Alcantara suede, which is wear-resistant, easy to maintain, and offers temperature-regulating properties, enhancing the overall sense of luxury. Additionally, the V900 offers 3 different seating configurations: 6, 7, and 8 seats. The 8-seat version features a magic 4th row that can be folded forward, rearward, or hidden, further enhancing space flexibility. With a 3,200 mm wheelbase and an effective interior length of 3,974 mm, the vehicle leads its class with a usable floor space ratio of 91.8%. The new model features an innovative 3-in-1 layout. The second and third rows offer over 1,013 mm of longitudinal space, and the standard trunk capacity reaches 1,100 liters, providing nearly twice the storage capacity of its competitors, even when fully loaded with 7 people. All seats are ventilated and heated, and the driver, front passenger, and second-row seats are equipped with an 8-point massage function. The third-row seats recline up to 180 degrees. For entertainment, there's a 17.3-inch anti-jam ceiling display, a 9.1-liter refrigerator, and a 27-speaker Flyme sound audio system. The smart cockpit uses the Flyme Auto 2.0 system, which integrates DeepSeek and the Star AI Big Data model, and is equipped with a Snapdragon 8295P chip that supports multi-language voice interaction and contextualized proactive services. The AI assistant EVA has learning and memory capabilities and can respond to users' personalized needs. Regarding driver assistance systems, The Qianli Haohan H5 system is equipped with 27 sensing hardware devices, including LiDAR, multi-cameras, and radar, supporting features such as mapless NOA navigation, smart lane changing, and inter-scenario parking. The Galaxy V900 is equipped with Geely's Super AI range extender system, along with Xingrui AI Cloud Power 2.0, which intelligently adjusts power output based on road conditions and driving habits. It uses ZTE's Xiaoyao battery pack, which supports an 18-minute fast charge.